Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to compare two columns in Excel to find the differences. Let's get started. First, we need to have a table with two lists. The first list should contain random values or things, and the second things should do so as well. Now, if ever we want to mark the values or cells that have duplicate values, well, that's very easy. All we have to do is select our data and go to the Styles group under the Home tab and go for Conditional Formatting. Now, go ahead and go to Manage Rules. We should be able to see the New Rule button. Go ahead and press it. Once we do so, go to the Format Only Unique or Duplicate Values. Once we are here, if ever we want to mark the duplicate values, all we have to do is go to Format, go to Fill, and choose any color that you want. Since we're going for the duplicate, let's try yellow for now. Once done, press an OK, and press OK once again, and press Apply. Now, we can see the values that are duplicate within two lists. As you can see, for the pencil is present. As for the stapler, the tape, and the mouse, what is present on the first list, that is present in the second list, are marked. Now, let's try another way. Let's say we want to take the differences. Let's go to Manage Rules again and click on New Rule. Then, click on the Format Only Unique or Duplicate Values, and let's try Unique this time. Since we're going for Unique, might as well go for the color green. Press OK, press OK again, and click on Apply. Now, we should be able to see the values that are not repeated within our data. And there we have it. This is how we compare two columns in Excel to find the differences.